the ones that have not been on a plane before. When you go up in the air, the plane will hit air pockets, okay? So when it hits the air pockets, it bounces around, and it's called turbulence. Can you say turbulence?
Turbulence!
So whenever I say turbulence, we're going to pretend that we just hit a pocket of air, and we're going to be like, oh! All right, so now this can happen at any moment, okay? But once my hands go like this, that means no more turbulence, okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so welcome aboard. All right, we're going to go off into imagination land. You guys can look out into the ocean. Where are we going to pass? We're going to pass Georgia, the Atlantic Ocean, Portugal, and Spain. Okay? All right. So you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. All right, so I got to sit down. So, we all buckled up. All right, so we're going to pass over Georgia. All right, we're passing over Georgia. Oh, what a nice cow. All right, so we're going over, and now the land is turning into water. So that's going to be called a beach. That's the beach right there, okay? So now we're going over the Atlantic Ocean. Woo! What kind of sea animals are in the Atlantic Ocean? Fish. Killer whale. Whoa. Dolphins. Whales. Good. Good job. Okay. So now we are approaching land again, okay? All right. We see some land. Turbulence! All right. Oh, okay, so now we see Portugal. Beautiful, beautiful, right? There's just buildings everywhere and everything like that.
Where's India?
India? That's not over here. So, turbulence! Alright, good. Alright, so the next country we're flying over is Spain. So we can see Spain because there's taller buildings in Spain, okay? So we're going. What else do you guys see down below? Use your imagination. What do you see? Some more buildings. Some cars. What do you see? People, yeah. All right. So hold on. We're about to land, okay? All right. It's okay. It's okay. Turbulence! Turbulence! All right. We have landed, okay? So now I'm going to ask for you guys to go back to your seats. It's okay. We're still going to have fun. All right. So go back to your seats. We're getting off the plane. And all right. Good job. Okay. So now that we're off the plane, we are in Andorra. Okay. So this is Andorra's flag, which you guys should know. There's mountains and buildings, everything like that. Alright, so now you guys gotta pay attention, okay? Okay. So, remember how a couple weeks ago you guys did a similarity and difference chart about your animals, right?
Yes.
So today, we are going to do that about America and Andorra. So you have to pay attention to what I'm saying about Andorra, okay? You're going to work with your groups, so it's going to help you out. So the first thing is, the common language there is Catalan, which is kind of like Spanish. So they have Spanish, French, and Catalan. But what kind of language do we use?
English.
So that's a difference, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, so remember that. Now, in America, we use dollar bills.
Yes.
Over there, they use, it's called a euro, which is a different type of money. Okay? So that's difference that we have. Alright? Common foods. So, what kind of food do you guys usually eat? Back there. Pizza. What do you eat? Chinese. What do you eat?
Fish.
Fish. Spaghetti and meatballs.
I eat some chicken with sausages on top of the pizza.
Oh, those are good. Okay, so they have in Andorra, they have lamb, they have chicken, they have coca, this is coca. It's kind of like a pizza. So that's different though, right? It's not, we call it pizza. They eat snails. They eat pasta and meatballs. So that's the same, right? We eat the same there. Alright. So, like America, they have soccer, they have rugby, and they have basketball. But they call soccer football. So, yeah, it's a little bit confusing. But, so we have all the same sports. So that's cool. Remember this, remember. Alright, so how they get around is just like we do. How do we get to school? By riding a bus. How do you get to school? A car. A car. Does anybody ride their bike? Bike? Okay, they have the same exact transportation that we have. Okay? Alright. Alright, common pets. So what kind of pets do you have at home? A dog and a turtle.
I have a horse, cat, and a dog.
A horse, a cat, and a dog. A pig? What kind of animal do you have at home? A goldfish? Okay, so the common pets in America are cats and dogs, right?
Yeah.
That's what everybody pretty much has. So over there in Andorra, their common pet is a sheep. Isn't that weird? That's different. So they have sheep, goats, cattle, which is cows, and mules. So that's what they have. Alright, now what we are going to do, what kind of flag is this? Exactly. So, what does this say right here? Differences. Okay, so I'm going to pass out the flag. And what you guys are going to do as a group, you'll be partnered with their group. And so as a group, you will try to remember what I just taught you, okay? So what are the similarities? What are the differences between America and Andorra? So remember, okay, the pets, the transportation's pretty much the same, right? Just think about all those things. Use each other's brain power, okay? So at the end, this is what the sheets look like, okay? So once you're done filling in the chart with your group, you are going to color the flag, okay? But we're going to color it the right way. So what color should this section be right here?
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow. Red.
Okay, so, but when we color, we're going to do it lightly. How are we going to do it?
Lightly.
Lightly, because I need to see what you write, okay? So if we color hard, you can't see anything, all right? So, I'm going to pass these out. All right, work as a group, okay? Brainstorm together about the similarities and differences.